My name is Michelle and I'd like to show you how to do the cat pose, Viralasana in Sanskrit. It's a warm-up exercise and it prepares the body for the asanas, the postures that are to come. It also helps awareness and concentration, as the aim is to synchronise your breath with the movement of the spine of cat pose. So let's see how we go. If we come to lie in child's pose, first of all, Viralasana. Just come to fold the upper body over the knees, resting the forehead on the floor and the arms and the shoulders are relaxed, the palms facing up. And as you lie in child's pose, start to observe your breath. Inhaling through the nose, abdomen rises, and exhaling through the nose, abdomen falls. Just mentally preparing and letting go in child's pose. And slowly start to uncurl through the spine, the head, the neck and the shoulders coming up last, bringing yourself to a kneeling posture and relax your shoulders. Coming onto all fours for the cat stretch, Viralasana. So you bring your hands directly underneath your shoulders, spread the fingers and have your wrists in alignment with the front of the mat. Your knees are directly underneath your hips, relaxing the feet behind. Start to work on pulling the belly button up towards the spine, drawing in your core so that the back is nice and flat, having a neutral spine. And just observing the breath in this box position. So for cat stretch, inhale as you start to tilt the pelvis downwards with control, lifting the tailbone up, the breastbone coming forward and the head lengthening and lifting up, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears and keeping the neck soft. And now exhale, rounding the spine all the way up to the sky, drawing the chin in towards the chest, opening the vertebra of the spine, opening the shoulder blades as the upper body lifts up and the tailbone tucks under. Inhaling, tilting the pelvis downwards as the movement of the breath moves with the breastbone coming forward, the head lengthening and lifting up, keeping the neck soft, the arms strong and straight. And exhale, rounding the spine, the upper back, up towards the ceiling, tucking the tailbone under, bringing the chin towards the chest. Inhaling again with the movement of the breath, tilting the pelvis down, tailbone up, breastbone coming forward, head lengthening, lifting up, shoulders relaxed, try not to collapse them, neck soft. And exhale, rounding the spine, the upper back up towards the sky, bringing the tailbone down, the chin in towards the chest. And inhale, back to centre, having a neutral spine. Exhale, sit the bottom back on the heels, the chest to the thighs, the forehead down to the floor, the arms around the back of the body, the palms facing up into your child's pose. Just take a moment to relax, breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling and exhaling. Now inhale, slowly uncurl through the spine, the head, the neck, the shoulders coming up last, Lifting the head, relaxing the shoulders, and let go. Thank you. Namaste.